Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 BMW 116 MSport. This car comes with a 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, returning up to 68 miles per gallon. Road tax is just £20 a year and the car's had 4 services in 39,000 miles. The original owner spent over £2,400 on factory options, which included the enhanced Bluetooth, the front and rear parking sensors, tinted windows and also the driver's comfort package. This particular colour is called Glacier Silver and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, first of all, you've got the nice clean MSport seats there. The armrest in the centre, the nice leather steering wheel, and you've got the satellite navigation and DAB radio there in the centre with the climate control below. And being the 5-door, you've got good access there into the back with a good amount of leg room, and I see you've got nets in the back of the front seats as well. And opening the tailgate, you see you've got a nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place, and you've still got the original cargo net there as well, which often go missing, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the front and rear parking sensors that I've already mentioned, and the twin spoke 18-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance which is 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.